In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8N to Ollama seamlessly. This process will allow you to integrate the capabilities of both platforms, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Let's dive right in and cover everything you need to know to get this set up. First, head over to N8N and locate the node you want to configure with Ollama. It's important here to identify the specific Ollama node because that's where you'll set up your credentials. Once you've found it, navigate to the Credentials dropdown. This is typically the entry point for configuring any external services in N8N. In the dropdown, you'll want to look for the option to create a new credential. It might sound like just a couple of clicks, but this is a crucial step, as you're essentially bridging N8N with the data powerhouse that is Ollama. Next, get ready to enter some specific information. You'll need the base URL where your Ollama instance is hosted. Most of the time, especially in local or development settings, this is something like http://localhost 11434. Ensure that this URL is accurate because any discrepancies here could prevent you from connecting successfully. If you're working in a more complex environment like a production server, the URL might differ slightly, so check with your network admin if necessary. Following that, you'll want to select your model from the drop-down list. Models are essentially preset modes or configurations that Ollama can run. For instance, you might see options such as Llama 3, but the actual names and number of models available can vary. If you're uncertain about which model to choose, consider what your end goal is. Different models might be tailored for specific types of tasks or data processing needs. Of course, if you don't see any models listed, don't worry right away. This usually means your Ollama instance doesn't have models downloaded yet. You'll want to ensure you're up to date and that compatible models are present in your instance. Lastly, you'll be able to adjust runtime settings like temperature, which in the context of machine learning and models typically refers to randomness in decision-making. A lower temperature might make the model's responses more deterministic and precise, while a higher temperature introduces more variation and creativity. This fine-tuning is often what tailors the service to fit your exact requirements. And that should do it. You now know how to connect N8N with Ollama, creating a powerful integration capable of handling a variety of tasks with efficiency and customization. Make sure everything is saved before exiting, and your workflow should be ready for a test run. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials and model lists. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your system.